Can AI replace you as a CSM in 2024?
And we're just a few weeks into 2024. Wayfair announcing it's preparing to lay off at least 13% of its global workforce.
Announcing a restructuring plan. It's going to impact 8,000 jobs. Now, the company is shifting more of its focus towards artificial intelligence,
which over the past 25 years hasn't gone through a moment like this.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous.
One of my viewers raised this as an argument in the comments, and I just dived into learning about this. I would like to take a moment here and thank you all for the comments because it really helps me to come up with information that might be helpful for you. Now, coming back to our topic. Artificial intelligence has long sparked the human imagination, often in the form of science fiction. Yet when OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, released its LLM model to the public, the tone changed. Suddenly, the rise of AI seemed to be more science than fiction, leading to vigorous debates as to whether or not the technology will replace human labor. In one of the big RIC conferences organized by Churn Zero, a version of this question was asked in an Oxford-style debate between 4 customer success leaders, ultimately decided by audience vote. And around 10% of the audience changed their vote to no after the debate. The team pointed out 3 broad reasons they believe AI is not capable of replacing customer success. AI is highly effective at identifying patterns. Yet humans still outperform AI when it comes to detailed problem solving. The other reason is that a number of governments around the world are considering safety rules, which the debaters say will slow down the future development. And lastly, humans desire human interaction. We are social creatures, and people want to do business with other people they know, like, and trust. Technology simply is not capable of fulfilling our innate need for human interaction. In another report by SaaStr, CS has taken the biggest brunt in layoffs, unfortunately. SaaS companies are now simply willing to run a lot more leanly in CS, in many cases hoping to rely on automation, knowledge bases, and the community to pick up the slack. The days of $1 million per customer success manager may be long gone. As per a report on CS jobs by Success Coaching for 2023, in December, there were 3,749 customer success job listings, a 9% increase over November. Once again, the data on the overall job market is mixed. The most recently available US jobs report showed a big drop in jobs, and tech layoffs surged again after a gradual decline over the course of this year. Despite this, the overall trends for hiring, separations, quits, and layoffs all remain flat. Hiring is strong, separation is low, and voluntary quits are high, signaling continued confidence in the market. Another article by the Customer Success Project debates that cutting customer success roles without considering the long-term implications can significantly affect a company's bottom line. Leveraging AI won't cost you your job. Ignorance might. Stay informed and diversify your skills. In a recent report by Deloitte Digital, at least 79% of customer service leaders think so, as they plan to invest more on AI capabilities over the next 2 years. By leveraging AI, you not only gain the time back to meet with more customers, but the CS teams can spend their energy where it really counts, which is account strategizing and better solving customer problems. AI can also be an asset for building predictive models for important KPIs such as customer retention, sentiments, and churn. AI can look for engagement dips, negative customer sentiment, and correlated behaviors between the customers that have churned, thus allowing you to spot risk earlier in the customer journey. Take advantage of AI's ability to automate identifying high-risk customers before a bigger problem escalates, so you can make a real-time decision and quickly connect them to a human expert for a live conversation who can show some real empathy. Videate.io invited a few CS leaders to put forth their take on AI evolution in customer success. Let's listen to some of the arguments made by Rachel Proven, founder and CEO of Proven Success.
AI isn't going to take your job. Somebody who knows how to use AI will take your job. And I think we just have to think about, how do we make sure people don't get left behind? How do we mitigate the negative impacts to people and create a world in which this is a net positive? Company that got kind of frustrated or fed up with their marketing strategy, and they built an AI like fake creator, and she now makes $11,000 as a creator on the platform, and she's full AI. I believe in the value of human beings, but I think I'm very, very bullish on the value of humans. But I think that said humans can really benefit from leveraging tools like this to scale themselves. Creators are business owners.
Dave Darrington, Director of Customer Education at Service Rocket.
Where is AI going to take our jobs? The kind of the resonance, the feeling right now, and the sentiment that a lot of companies are talking about as we introduce AI into the world is that it will take jobs away from people who aren't using AI. That's not for me, but I like the sentiment, because what is indeed saying is that we have to do it now. We have to, because it's extending our humanity, extending our abilities to give us superpowers. It's like, the bionic man and woman, those TV shows, they've got superpowers because they've got technology that's assisting them to do more, to do better, but they're still human, well, hopefully. So yeah, I think there's a little bit of a concern there, but it should only more be the people that have not taken time to understand the aspects of what AI is. What does it mean? What are the tools out there? What is ChatGPT X? What is a large language model? These are things that we are compelled to learn as leaders and practitioners in some way and bring into our day-to-day.
And Noah Little, Enterprise Customer Success Manager at Recharge Payments.
So you actually did tell our research team that CSMs are the only role safe from AI. So why do you think that CSMs are safe?
Everybody's experienced, maybe in America or Canada or even around the world, when something goes wrong with your cell phone or your computer, and you call into AT&T, Verizon, or Sprint, and it's an automated voice messaging system. Click 1 for this, click 8 for this. And what does everybody do? Click 0 1,000 times until you reach a person. Because no matter how advanced a machine learning or a language learning model is, you want to talk to somebody so you can understand the nuances, the problems, and only a human being can often solve this for you. So a CSM in the SaaS world is that person, is that 0 to a direct line to get your issue solved, sorted, and get it actually done faster than maybe a machine can. So that's why I feel CSMs will never go away, at least in the foreseeable future.
I'll share the video links in description so that you can check out the entire podcast session by these videos. So to wrap up, CS is a relatively new function, and AI is here to make things better, not to take your job away. Think of AI as a trustworthy sidekick, not a job-stealing villain. Embrace it, leverage it, and let's stay ahead of the game together. The future is still unwritten, so let's see how the AI evolution debate unfolds.